Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can activate two WhatsApp applications on the Doogee X97 Pro. So I'm gonna show you the two tricks. So if you need the second WhatsApp account for the work, for example, with separated contacts numbers, open the Play Store and look for the WhatsApp app, but not for the normal app. Slide down and look for the WhatsApp Business. And by this little way, I have two WhatsApp applications. That was the first method. Now the second one, go to the Play Store like before and look for the Dual Space app. Choose one of them. Now choose agree and continue. Allow permissions and tap on the WhatsApp to add a next WhatsApp application on your phone. And whole process starting automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.